We got oxtail. This is the oxtail. Only a chop jerk, you get the real authentic jerk. Right here, we got the real authentic oxtail. And right here, we got the real authentic rice and peas. Only a chop jerk. Catch a sign. Look, one chop in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And look, we got the jerk chicken right here. We got the oxtail right here. We got everything. Only a chop jerk. #1 jerk man in Montego Bay. Okay? 10 years in business and still going on. We have 30 more years in business, okay? Only a chop jerk, real authentic oxtail, real jerk chicken. Only one chop. Get my sign and peace out.
Hi, Yolanda from Brooklyn.
Nigel from Brooklyn, New York.
Jerk,
It's only 876 to get the best food.
Yes,
the best dishes, rice and peas, jerk chicken, oxtail.
Okay, sweetheart, get oxtail and curry chicken and jerk chicken.